This is a demonstration of a trainee's experiences in Train to Code. When the application opens, it requests a personal login ID, and then, if this is the first use of a given training program, it defaults to an orientation to the taxonomy. A taxonomy is a set of coding categories to be learned and used for coding behavioral events, and a video-based display of examples hosted by an administrator, trainer, or teacher. Each behavior category is illustrated by examples with a description of operational definition and category name.
EPNE, key, 1, early prompt no error. Early prompt, a teaching error. The prompt begins and ends before the beginning of the cue or before a motivating operation has apparently occurred.
Peanuts.
Peanuts.
Well done.
PNE, key, 2, prompt no error. Prompt no error, an effective prompt correct teaching behavior. The prompt begins at the same moment as the cue begins or the motivating operation has apparently occurred, or less than 2 seconds after the end of the cue or after the motivating operation has apparently occurred and the learner makes a correct response.
Bagel chips.
Bagel chips.
Excellent.
NPWS, key, 7, no prompt with error. No prompt with error, an ineffective withdrawal of a prompt or prompt fade, 2 or more consecutive occurrences or 3 occurrences in 5 trials constitutes a teaching error. The learner makes an incorrect response at the same moment as the prompt or prompt fade begins or before a prompt begins.
Pringles.
Let's try again.
Let's watch another set of examples.
Peanuts.
Peanuts.
Well done.
Peanuts.
Let's try again.
This is the end of your orientation. You may explore more examples by clicking on each category, or you may begin training by selecting the training menu icon.
If the training program is a new one, as illustrated here, the trainee begins at the first and lowest level of independence from the system-supplied help through prompting and feedback to guide virtually errorless training on the taxonomy. There are 7 levels of adaptive presentation that progress to fully independent or expert level coding skills as defined by maintaining 90% accuracy while coding all of the video. The first level supports are summarized by a simple diagram shown at the lower right corner of the screen.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
All right. Today we're going to do a little reading. And as you can see, we have some words on some cards. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to point to one card at a time and pointing to the words on each card. And as I point to it, I want you to try to say the word or read the words if you will. And if you know it, that's fine. If you don't know it, that's okay too. I'll say the word and then you can repeat it. All right? You ready to get started? Okay, we're going to get started. Here we go. All right, here's our first one. Bagel chips.
Bagel chips.
Excellent. Pringles.
Pringles.
Well done.
Peanuts.
Excellent job. Prunes.
Prunes.
Well done.
Pringles.
Let's try again. Job. Peanuts.
Peanuts.
Well done.
Accurate coding progression has allowed this trainee to move up to the next level where all of the text prompts beneath the video begin to disappear.
Bagel chips.
Very nicely done. Prunes. Very well done. Very well done. Bran muffins.
Bran muffin.
Here level 3 has been reached, where prompts totally disappear. The actual number of correct successive codings required to begin fading prompts and feedback in the adaptive presentation is set for each level by the administrator when designing and posting a training program. When that critical accuracy for a given level has been attained by the trainee, the new and higher level of independence in coding begins. Anytime coding accuracy drops below a specified level for a sustained period, the trainee may experience a return to levels of more prompting and feedback to help in learning the correct codings. Here we see the trainee reviewing training progress with a plot of accuracy across the coding session and a detailed look at the errors made through a coding review.
Prunes.
Prunes.
Well done.
Sprinkles.